Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into this art of tranquility and creating your own Zen garden. No matter how small your space is, we have got some fantastic ideas to help you bring a silence of serenity into your surroundings. So let's get started on this journey of peace and balance. Understanding Zen gardens. Zen garden origins. Let's start by understanding what Zen gardens are. Zen gardens, also known as Japanese rock gardens, are designed to evoke a sense of peace and simplicity. They originated in Japan and are often found in temples or homes as a place for meditation and reflection. Benefits of Zen gardens. Incorporating a Zen garden into your life comes with a wonderful perk: stress reduction. Life can be busy and overwhelming, but the simple act tending to your Zen garden can be like a soothing balm for your mind. The calmness it brings help you unwind from the hustle and bustle of daily life, letting your stress melt away. Ever find your thoughts racing all over the place? Zen gardens are here to help. They encourage mindfulness, which means being fully in the present moment. When you are racking patterns in the sand or carefully placing stones, you are fully engaged. This focus on the task at hand helps quiet those racing thoughts and centers your mind. Now let's talk about something important. You might be thinking, but I don't have a big yard. That's totally okay. Zen gardens are like magicians. They can transform even the smallest of spaces into tranquil hideaways. So whether it's a corner of your balcony or a tiny spot in your backyard, you can create your own oasis of calm. No need for a vast expanse. A little space can hold a lot of peace. Remember, the benefits of a Zen garden are for everyone, regardless of the space you have. It's all about finding your moment of serenity amid the everyday chaos. Designing your small Zen garden. The very first step is to pick the right spot for your Zen garden. It could be a corner or your balcony, a little patch in your backyard, or even inside where sunlight comes in naturally. Remember, Zen gardens love simplicity. Keep it smile. Use just a few things to avoid making it look too busy. Now let's talk about the ground. You shall need something underneath. Gravel or superfine sand works well. It's like water or little ripples. Use a special rack to make calming patterns in it. Rocks and stones. Next up, rocks and stones. Put them in careful places. They are like islands or mountains in your mini world. Use an odd number like 3 or 5 to make it feel balanced. Plants are friends too. Choose ones that don't need a lot of attention. Think about bonsai trees, moss or bamboo. They add green without making things too crowded. If you got the room, Make simple paths using stones or wooden boards. Walk on them slowly, taking in the peaceful feeling of your garden. Remember, your Zen garden is like your own little piece of calm. Each piece, the space, the rock, the plants, they all work together to bring you some peace in your day. So take your time, enjoy the process, and make your Zen garden truly yours. Maintaining your Zen garden. Raking is important to keep the patterns in your sand or gravel looking neat. It like a calming ritual that makes your garden feel peaceful. Take time to trim your plants by cutting back the extra growth. You are helping them stay in shape. It's almost like giving them a little haircut. This can be a calming and meditative thing to do. Keep an eye out for any unwanted plants or weeds. They can spoil the simple beauty of your garden. Removing them right way helps your garden stay calm and balanced. Make sure your garden stay clean and tidy. Remove any debris or clutter that might have found its way in. A clean garden helps clear your mind and keeps the Zen feeling alive. Maintaining your Zen garden is not just about taking care of the plants and rocks, but also about taking care of your own sense of calm and peace. In conclusion, creating your own Zen garden in a small space is not only possible, but also a rewarding endeavor. It's a way to invite tranquility and mindfulness into your life, no matter how busy it gets. So go ahead, start small, and let the Zen follow into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring ideas. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, find your inner peace, thought, the art of Zen gardening.